Hi everyone, and welcome to the joint course developed by DCRO Institute and Risk Academy. My name is Alex Sidorenko, and I will be your lecturer for the course. My last 4 roles in risk have been Chief Risk Officer of a sovereign fund, risk advisor to a sovereign fund in the Middle East, head of risk for a $10 billion fertilizer company, and head of operational risk, investment risk, and insurance for a group of companies which had that $10 billion fertilizer company and another $10 billion coal, energy, and logistical company. So when designing this course, I followed the 2 most important principles to me and my team. And the principles are science-based. Whenever we apply something to risk management, whenever we implement a technique, a methodology, an approach, it has to be based on either decision science, probability theory, neuroscience, or behavioral economics, or corporate finance, something that has been developed and tested for years, not a marketing fad, so to say, not a concept that is yet to be proven. It's something that has foundation in science.